Hello everyone, myself Sri Krishna Pai. I am now dealing with some ratio and proportion problems and some tricks about that. First question, out of ratios, which one is the smallest? First is 7 is to 15, second one 15 is to 23, third one 17 is to 25, and fourth one 21 is to 29. It is the most easier. As usual, we can calculate by dividing 7 by 15. It's almost 15 on the 70. We have to write 10 and 0 0.0. 15 on the 15 for the approximately equal to 0.4. And then second one is 15 divided by 23. We can take 10 and it is equal to 0.21. Ones that it almost equal to 6. Okay, approximately equal to 0.6. And third one is 17 divided by 25. We can take 0 here, it approximately equal to 0.6. And last one, 21 divided by 29, 0, it is also approximately equal to 0.6. In the question they given that out of ratios which one is the smallest, so the smallest is corresponding to the first ratio, that is 7 is to 15. It is asked in the RRB Ajmer 2001 question paper. So for this question the answer is option third, 7 is to 15. Okay friends, now we will moving on to the next problem. Second problem, the ratio of the manager to trainee is 3 is to 5. When 21 new trainees are recruited, then the ratio will be 3 is to 8. How many managers are be in the group? It's one of the easiest question. The trick is that initial condition, there are the ratio of manager to trainee is 3 is to 5. We can take it as 3x is to 5x. Now after 21 trainees recruited, then this is the manager and this is the trainees. Initially 3x managers are present and 5x number of trainees are present. After 21 trainees are joined, then it will be written like this: 5x plus 21. 3x is to 5x plus 21, because here 21 is added to this 5x, because after 20 we can take the condition as after 21 trainees are recruited, then the ratio becomes in the problem they given that 3 is to 8. Therefore 3x divided by this also written as 5x plus 21, which is equals to 3 is to 8. We can solve this as cross multiplication. 3 into 8, 24x, which is equals to 15x plus 63. Take 15x this side, 24x minus 15x is equal to 63. 9x is equal to 63. X is equal to 9 ones are 7 are, x is equal to 7 friends. But we have to find out how many managers are be in that group. So if there is a x number of x is equal, we have that x is equal to 7, and there are 3x number of managers are present. Therefore 3 into 7 to 21 managers are present in that group. So option C, 21 is the right answer. This is asked in the UCO bank exam clerk exam in 2007. Okay friends, we will move on to the next question. The a by b is equals to 7:9, b by c is equal to 3:5, then the a is to b is to c is equal to question mark. This is asked in the SSC 2003 question paper. It's the one of the easiest problem. I am considering a has 700 rupees, b has 900 rupees. 700 is to 900 means the ratio is like that 7:9, it is same. Then b is to c, the ratio of b is to c is 3:5. 3:5. So divide this 900 into 3 equal parts. This we have 3 here, so divide this 900 into 3 equal parts. 900 divided by 3 is equal to 300. Okay, 300 into 3 becomes 900. Okay, therefore 900 is to 900 is to C has 5 parts of 300. Therefore 5 into 300 becomes 1500. 0 cancel out, the respective ratio become 7:9:15. Just the 700 is to 900 we can taken as 700 is to 900, then divide by 3, because this b has 3 900 is divided into 3 parts, each part getting 300, but c has 5 into individual part of b, so we have get 1500. The next way is to cancel out the 0 zeros, and we got this answer. Next we have to move on to the next question. A sum of money is distributed between Ram and Shyam in the ratio 7:11 respectively. Shyam gets 6,000 rupees more than Ram. How much does Ram get? It's one of the easiest question. It's asked in the RBI Note Printing Private Limited exam 2003. For this the money is the distribution between Ram and Shyam is 7:11 ratio. If they have salary of 700, if Ram has 700, then Shyam has 1400 rupees. Okay, there will be a 400 rupees. Shyam has 400 rupees more than this Ram. If they have there will be distribution of 7,000 and 11,000, then there will be 4,000 rupees. The Shyam has 4,000 rupees more than the Ram, but we have that Gets 6,000 rupees more than Sham. So already we got near to the answer. 4,000 rupees. Sham has 4,000 rupees greater than Ram. For this we have to add another 2,000 rupees. It is easily done by, we have to also add uh, half of this value. 7,000 plus half means 3,500. 7,000 plus 7,000 by 2, it will be 3,500 plus 11,000 plus half of this is 5,500. Then it will be 4,000 plus 2,000 is equal to 6,000 rupees. Then we have to add this. 10,500 is to 16,500. We have to know the 6,500 minus 10,500, it will be 600 rupees, 6,000 rupees difference between them. It means 6,000 rupees. Sham has 6,000 rupees more than this Ram. For answer for this question is, the question asked is, how much does Ram gets? It is the Ram's part, it is the Sham's part. If Rams get 10,500 rupees, then Sham gets 16,500 rupees, and there will be a 6,000 rupees difference between them. And the last question, the ratio between the boys and girls in the class is 4:6 respectively. If the number of boys is increased by 200, the ratio changes to 5:6 respectively. How many girls in the class is the question. This is asked in the Corporation Bank exam 2004. Initial condition. Girls and boys. The ratio of girls is to boys is equal to 4:6. Okay. If the boys are increased by 200 plus 200, it will be 4x, this will be 6x. Okay. Initial condition is for every 4 boys there will be 6 girls. It means that 4x is to 6x. On adding 200 boys, it will be written it as 4x plus 200 is to 6x. There will be new ratio after that, 5:6. Therefore this written it as divided by 6x, which is equals to 5 divided by 6. Then we have to make calculation. 24x plus 1200, which is equals to 30x. 6x is equal to 1200. X is equals to 200. But we have to calculate how many girls in the school. So there are 6x number of girls in the school. We have x is equal to 200. 200 into 6 is equal to 1200. Answer option 1, that is 1200 is the right answer. Thank you.